Today's weather is sponsored by the Eye Care Associates of West Kentucky, the Paducah location, located at 1748 Broadway Street, downtown Paducah.
Good day, everybody. It is January 2nd, 2017. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. We've got some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast today. We take a look at our visible satellite this morning. You can see as the sun comes up, hitting those clouds. We even see some bumpiness in here. Those are thunderstorms over parts of southwest Illinois, northeast Arkansas. A few reports of hail over Arkansas over the past few hours. Showers and thunderstorms will be with us today, along with some fog. Fog has been slow to exit this morning. We're going to have patchy fog into the afternoon. Cool temperatures above normal temperatures, mostly in the 40s and 50s. A little bit more of a warm surge possible later this afternoon and tonight as a warm front enters our region, especially the Missouri Boot Heel and parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. Let's turn on radar and we can see showers and some thunderstorms spreading from the southwest towards the northeast as this storm system develops. We see the most coverage over here over southwest Arkansas, central Arkansas. Lots of little red dots in there. Those are thunderstorms. And we see some increase in thunderstorm activity over our region over the past couple of hours. All of this will continue to move northeast through this afternoon and evening, and most of us will pick up at least a little bit of rain, and some of you will pick up heavier showers and storms, heavy downpours, and even some hail possible today. Freezing level is fairly low, and some of these storms, they could produce pea to dime size hail. Can't rule out larger hail if a few heavier storms develop, so keep that in mind. We turn on National Weather Service radar out of Paducah, Kentucky. We can see scattered showers over our region. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Some of these locally heavy rain, maybe some small pea-sized hail in these red areas. You can see a little bit more developing over northeast Arkansas and the Boot Heel. And again, we will see increasing coverage of precipitation as we move through this afternoon and into the evening hours. We take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather outlook. You see this light green where general thunderstorms are anticipated, maybe some small hail. The dark green area, that's a marginal risk for severe weather. Can't rule out some reports of severe thunderstorms today, but I think the overall risk is low. Maybe some hail reports, small risk for tornadoes. It looks like the area of low pressure will stay mostly to our south, and if that occurs, then the tornado threat diminishes. Either way, the tornado threat is small, perhaps a little bit better chance for a few reports of hail. You look down here in Mississippi and you see the yellow color, that's a slight risk, and then the highest risk zone, this enhanced risk in orange. Better dynamics down in this area than our area. Take a look at a few weather maps. These are the dew point temperatures for today. Now remember, during the winter months, if you can have dew points reach the 58 to 60 degree mark, that's usually a red flag in our area for severe thunderstorms. So we'll put this in motion. We'll watch this afternoon. We'll stop here at 3 o'clock. And you see the 60 degree dew point, 58 to 60, nudging its way into western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, certainly West Tennessee. And then as we move through the evening hours, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then midnight on Tuesday morning, 3 a.m. So we do have some higher dew points that nudge into our area, and that is one reason we have the marginal risk for severe weather over parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and the Boot Heel. We'll keep an eye on it. The overall setup for severe weather isn't exactly perfect, but it certainly can't rule out a couple of reports. Let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast radar. We'll start off here at about 12 p.m. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the area. And then through this afternoon hours, all of the precipitation down in Mississippi will continue to move northeastward. And we see some showers, some thunderstorms, some moderate downpours at times. And again, maybe a few reports of small hail. We move into the 9 o'clock hour tonight and then midnight. And you see the bulk of the precipitation exiting off to the east and northeast. And that leaves us with some clouds and maybe some showers, maybe clearing late tonight as well. Then as we move through Tuesday, we're going to watch a strong cold front advance into our region from the west. Maybe some showers along the front, not anticipating much. Small chance of some snow flurries behind the front as temperatures fall. High temperatures on Tuesday may occur during the morning, and then falling temperatures behind the front, especially over the western half of our region. Speaking of temperatures, let's go ahead and take a look at the temperature map for the next 24 to 48 hours. And I'll stop here at 3 o'clock and you see this warmer air nudging into Kentucky and Tennessee, maybe some 60s for West Tennessee. We'll see if those can make it into the Kentucky-Tennessee border counties. Mostly 50s across the region with clouds and some precipitation. Move through this afternoon and evening. 9 o'clock, and then we'll stop at midnight. You see that warmer air starting to move off to the east. Now some of that warm air will depend on the track of that area of low pressure. The further south the low tracks, the better chance that cooler air will remain in our region versus the 60s, especially true for the western and northern half of the region where we will remain in the 50s. Now as we move through tomorrow, I want you to watch what happens. I'll stop here at 9 a.m. 47 degrees in Mount Vernon, 53 Paducah, 53 in Martin, Tennessee. But then as we move through the afternoon hours, 12 o'clock, 3 p.m., temperatures falling into the 40s, lower 40s over portions of the region, our northwest counties, northern counties. That colder air will continue to move south and east as we move into Tuesday evening, and then during the overnight hours. I'll stop here at 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning. 20s across the region, more normal temperatures. Normal lows this time of year in the middle 20s or so, so this isn't unusual. And with gusty winds, we'll have wind chills down into the teens by Wednesday night, and then into the weekend. Just move forward a little bit more here, and we'll go to about 3 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. And you see here 20s over Mount Vernon, Potosi, Missouri, 30s elsewhere. Cold air mass, this will be below normal temperatures by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. High temperatures will remain in the 20s and 30s, so it's going to feel like winter. The big question is, can we pull some snow out of this pattern? And I will certainly cover that in a winter weather outlook later this afternoon. Now remember, I can text you a link to those outlooks if you sign up for the text messages at bodotsonweather.com. Make sure when you sign up for the text that you choose the third text if you want these winter weather outlooks. That's the social media text for severe weather and winter weather.